In this video we're going to use long division to divide the polynomial 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 7x plus 15 by 2x plus 3. So the first thing we need to do is set up the long division that we're going to undertake. So 2x plus 3, which is going to divide the polynomial 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 7x plus 15. So the first thing we need to do is work out what multiplies by 2x to give 2x cubed, and that's simply x squared. So x squared multiplied by 2x gives 2x to the power of 3, and x squared multiplied by 3 will give plus 3x squared. Next, we're going to subtract away the terms we've just found there from the terms above. So we have 2x cubed minus 2x cubed gives 0x cubed, so that cancels. And then we have minus 7x squared minus 3x squared, which will give minus 10x squared. And then the next term, which is minus 7x, will come down for the next stage of the process. So next up, we need to work out what is the factor that multiplies by 2x to give negative 10x squared, and that's going to be minus 5x. So minus 5x, when we multiply that by 2x, will give minus 10x squared, and multiplied by 3 will give minus 15x. Again, we're going to subtract the terms we've just found from the terms above. So when we have minus 10x squared minus 10x squared, that will be minus 10x squared plus 10x squared, so they'll cancel. And then we'll have minus 7x minus negative 15x, which will give us minus 7x plus 15x, which all up will give us positive 8x. And then the positive 15 comes down for the next stage. So once again we repeat our process by looking for the factor that multiplies by 2x to give 8x. So that's going to be positive 4. So positive 4 times 2x gives 8x. And then the positive 4 multiplied by 3 will give positive 12. And then subtracting those terms just found from the terms above will give 8x minus 8x will be 0x, so they will have cancelled. And we'll have plus 15 minus 12, which will give 3. So this term here is known as the remainder. And as it does not equal 0, that means that 2x plus 3 does not perfectly divide the polynomial, which means it is not a factor. Nevertheless, we can write out the quotient, which is the result of our long division, as being x squared minus 5x plus 4, and then we're going to have plus 3 divided by the divisor, which is 2x plus 3, and that's going to be the quotient. So the remainder has gone here, and what we were dividing by still divides the remainder down here. So that expression there is known as the quotient. So finally, just to make it clear, we can in fact write 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 7x plus 15 as being equal to 2x plus 3 multiplied by x squared minus 5x plus 4 plus 3, where again this term is the remainder that's been added on at the end.